What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. What if I told you as a business owner that there's an easier way to get leads than what you're doing right now using Google Maps? That's right, for a one-time fee or a free trial. Let's check out Lead Sniper right now. What's going on, guys? Today we're talking about Apollo.ai, another lead generation system on the internet, and it's the only tool that you need to succeed, apparently, to get those leads. You can get started for free or request a demo right here. Apollo wants to support people who want to be innovative and try something new, which is interesting. And it says it's going to give you 4 times the meetings, 2 times increase in email open rate, and 400% more phone numbers, apparently. Now, what's cool about this software is it has all these built-in features. You get the pipeline builder, call assistant, data enrichment, and go-to-market platform. Everything you need to scale, sell, and succeed in your business. And here are the pricing options. You have the free version, then you have the basic version for $49 a month, $79 a month for professional, and organization for $119 a month. But you can see the limited features that you get for the free version, and the paid versions have more features and stuff like that. But nobody wants to pay monthly. I know I don't. What if I told you there was a better software out there that can scrape Google Maps for a free trial or a one-time fee of $149. Welcome to Lead Sniper. This is the most powerful Google Maps scraper in the world, and it is leading the competition in lead scraping software on the internet right now. Now, this is a powerful Google Maps scraper that will give you the exact fresh laser-targeted leads in seconds that you're looking for. And you can buy now for $149 and get it for life, or you can get started for free. They have the free trial, one-time payment, unlimited leads, and 24-hour technical support. They've got over 12,000 happy customers and have extracted over 17 million places, 17 million phone numbers, 2 million emails, and 4 million social medias with over 800,000 reviews. And it's got amazing seamless features. It's easy to use, it's fast, it's quick, it's efficient, and it's going to save you time, which is what you want, and you're going to get comprehensive data reports. And it's been absolutely amazing for me and my business partner. We're very excited for Lead Sniper. So guys, get out there today and get the most powerful Google Maps scraper for the one-time fee of $149 and get it for life, or the free trial and get started with Lead Sniper. All right, so here we are, guys, and we're going to give you a quick demonstration of how this software works. We got 2 copies of Lead Sniper open right now, and we are just going to come up here and search for restaurants in Milan and restaurants in Vens, and we're going to hit start. And you can go out there and grab, get your supper started. Maybe you have to do something else. Doesn't matter. Whatever you're doing, just sit back, watch the product work its magic. This is absolutely amazing. And look at how fast it's scraping leads using Google Maps. Look at the detail it's going to. You can see how fast this works, how seamless it is, how time saving it's going to be. You got almost 1,200 leads with that one, and almost 1,200 leads as we got 2 copies going on this side. And look at this. You can download using a CSV or XLSX file, but for time's sake, we're just going to use Google Sheets. You're going to download, you're going to click that, drag and drop, click over there in your folder, drag and drop, and it's going to open a Google Sheet for you. Boom, boom, super fast, easy, and time saving. Look at the detail this software went to. You got the location, you got the phone number, you got the website, you got all these awesome emails, and this product has been amazing for me and my business partner. We are generating thousands of quality leads each day for our business, and we are very excited for Lead Sniper. So guys, as you can see, this is the best Google Maps scraper out there on the internet right now. So get out there, get Lead Sniper, and get these awesome leads for your business. All right, what an amazing demonstration of Lead Sniper in action. So get the software today for a one-time fee, and you get it for life, or the free trial and get those high-quality leads for your business and save time and money. Get Lead Sniper today. We'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great one.